All right, welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where we take 1 to 3 minutes to try to help you guys out and teach you exactly what comes in the box for some of the products we sell. The show is really for the retailers all across the South that help support Dow Electronics, so we appreciate that. Today I've got Mike with me. Mike, what product did you bring along?
Today brought along the Momento M6. It's the new camera out by Momento. One of the things that's pretty neat about it, it's one of their smallest cameras now because now they introduced Wi-Fi and it doesn't have a screen, so it's more discreet on your dashboard or on your windshield. But
So packaging wise, I think for all you guys with the retail showrooms, this has got a great look, fit, finish. It looks like something someone's going to grab, touch, feel. They're going to want to know more about it. They did a great job on the artwork on the box. If you look on the side, it's got pretty much every feature that this product has listed out and displayed for you guys. So really nice kind of sleeve on it. Nice, slick, kind of jet black box on the inside. As we kind of open up and get started, as with everything else, I'm sure you guys are all going to take your time and read your instruction manual. It's there if you ever want to. I'm sure you guys all will.
Drew, I always read the instruction manual. I know a lot of people don't.
So if you need help, Mike has apparently read this, so you can give Mike a call. Mm-hmm. He'll be able to help you. And I'm going to give the product over to Mike and let him kind of walk through each of the pieces.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so you got the camera here. And like I said, because this one's the Wi-Fi model, it doesn't have a screen on there. You can do it through your cell phone. So what it does, it gives it a much smaller footprint on your windshield, which is nice. And it really does look nice.
It's hard to explain how small this really is. I kind of put, this is the new Apple Watch. I'll kind of put it next to it to give you a comparison. It's just a little bit larger than the Apple Watch. It's an incredibly small camera. It's a really cool piece. Mike, here you go.
Yep, you got the rear camera on it. So this one comes with both cameras. So you have the camera for the front, and then this one can be mounted to the rear window, so you can see, take videos from behind. Comes with the SD card, so you have that already included in the box, 32 gigabyte.
Some good stuff in here.
So there should be 2 of these. So you got an option when mounting them. You got 2 mounts on it. You have one that's got the 3M tape, so you can mount it right to the windshield. Or for if you have a customer that doesn't want that, you also have the suction mount as well. So you got a GPS antenna comes with it, and this one should be the power cable. So it's power cable to hook it up. And then your cable, your extension to run to your rear camera for the rear. So that tells them. Is that all, Drew?
It's everything that comes in the box here. Some stuff I would call out, right? This does actually come with the micro and the mini SanDisk cards for you guys. That's a great option for you guys to have. It comes with a 32 gig, right? That's a great piece. Mike did mention earlier, right? Wi-Fi, so your phone will be the actual screen for this camera. The form and fit and finish is great. It's hard to tell probably on camera, but it's a nice a rubber feeling to it. It feels really good. It doesn't feel light and cheap. Quality feels very, very high on this piece. Another item that's just separate piece, but we wanted to mention it because it's a nice add-on. The IC6, right? This is the interior camera. Mm-hmm. In case you got a customer that wants to have a camera pointed inside, for a lot of the guys that are doing YouTube or Lyft or any of that stuff,
Uber and stuff like
Uber,
that, taxi.
Lyft and taxi cab confessions, if that still exists somewhere, I don't really know. But there's a nice all-inclusive camera that comes with a nice little sticker mount as well as a cable that'll plug right into the camera. So again, that's a separate piece. It's the IC6, but it's something that's really good for you guys to know exists out there.
Important to know on that would replace the rear camera, so there's not an extra input for 3 cameras on it. So they would have to give up the rear camera for the internal camera on it, though.
Yeah, so it's a good point. If you look on top, you've got your DC in, you've got your camera 1 input and your GPS input, and that's really the only inputs you do have on this. So again, a really nice small fit finish camera for you guys, a great opportunity for you guys to add some business. Big shout out and thank you to the guys over at Momento for supplying this with us. We really do appreciate that and the opportunity to show you guys what comes actually in the box. So quick summary, right? You've got your memory cards, you've got your actual camera, right? The real magic. You've got your rear camera included. Remember, that is included. That's a really good piece, right? You're getting both cameras in this kit. You do get 2 mounting options, so you get the dash mount as well as the suction cup mount. And then you've got your wire harness, you've got your GPS module, and you've got your overall 3.5, or actually it's not 3.5, whatever the cable marks are here. We'll put it in the notes for you guys. But a big thank you to the guys over at Momento. We really do appreciate them getting this over to us. If you guys are enjoying these videos and you like these, please subscribe and like below. We really do appreciate any comments, feedback you guys have. If there's products you'd like to see in the future, let us know. We'll go out, we'll hunt them, we'll get them, we'll try to show them for you guys. So thanks again. We'll see you guys next time.